Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead, open this up, and see what's inside. Can I open it? Because sometimes I tie a knot. Alright, I got it. Okay. And remember, this is a project subscription, and 2 projects come in it. A necklace and a bracelet, and sometimes there's necklace and earrings, so they switch it around. Anyways, they were doing video tutorials for this box that you could watch, and then they went to PDF files, but I think they might be back to videos now, because they had some thing where they had the people that are subscribed to this box asking to do it one way, and then they were like going back and forth. So anyways, they've done videos and PDF files, and I like both of them. Both of the videos are really good, and the PDF files. Very easy to understand, and a lot of fun. So let's see what's in this month's box. So we have a split ring there. That's probably going to be for a closure. And then we have some really cool metal square beads with nice big holes. Looks like they would be awesome on leather. Love those. And actually, I thought these were metal, but they're super lightweight. And I think they might be plastic, which are actually better in my opinion, because I have found that every plastic bead that I have bought that has a metal finish on it lasts forever. Really good quality. They never tarnish like the metal ones, and I actually like them way more. All the metal beads that I buy always tarnish for me, and I have to clean them. Now, you never want to use a chemical cleaner on your metal findings and your metal beads. You want to use those fabric cleaners or the disposable ones, and you just buff it with those, you know what I'm talking about? It's a fabric cleaner, and it actually cleans them. Cleans the metal beads. I've done that several times. But yeah, I actually like the plastic ones better, believe it or not. And we have 2 lobster claws here, and they are super tiny. Love small lobsters. Very cute. And then we have some tiny split rings? Or what are they? Jump rings? They're jump rings. They look like 5mm. So I'm thinking we're probably going to have a necklace and a bracelet. And then a really cool charm. Oh my gosh, I love that. It says Paris. It looks like there's some other writing on it, but it's really tiny. I wonder if I can make it out. Let's see what it says. Is it double-sided? It is! Oh my gosh, this charm is so cute. It is so small, I don't think I can read it. And it might be in French. But look at that. Isn't that darling? And I like that it's not perfectly round. It just looks like a stamping. That is so cute. I think I'm going to get my jewelry magnifying glass and see if I can see it better, the words. But yeah, I love that. And by the way, in case you didn't know, there are product codes in here. So if you get this box and you like things in it, you can go to their site and reorder these pieces. I love that. If they have them available, because sometimes they sell out. These are really cute. And these are definitely metal because it's very heavy. I can feel the weight on these. But again, these have large holes, a little bit smaller than these. These here have bigger holes. But these are very cute. Shh. My dog heard a noise. Look at those. There's a little pattern on them. They kind of look like that Jewel Hive silver. Those are precious. And then we have some oval jump rings, which are actually the best jump rings because of their shape. When you go to put them in a piece of jewelry, because they're oval shaped, the chain and closure will always be on this side and that side because of their shape. So it's less likely to fall apart. And sometimes when I make my own jump rings, I will get crimping pliers, and I will hold the seam here and there with my crimping pliers on a round jump ring, and I will gently squish it and make it into an oval shape because it just makes the jump ring so much more durable. These are cute. It looks like little Eiffel Tower charms. I'm really excited about this so far. This is going to be a cool project. Looks like it's going to be a really trendy piece. Those are so cute. Oh, I wonder if this is going to be the bracelet. And they're double-sided charms, which are the best. They're stamped. Love those. And then we have some chain here. This must be for the closure. Usually this curb chain is what it's called. It's for the closure. Yeah. It's like 2 inches. And then I'm dying to get to those beads. I have wanted these beads so bad. I think it's a kind of seed bead, but they have star centers. They're really beautiful. I think Preciosa makes them. They're really unique. I do feel like, though, when you just string them regularly, you don't see how beautiful the middle is. So I would actually like to make a piece of these one day where it's done sideways so you could see the star pattern, if that makes sense to you. Look at that. Aren't they precious? I think they're 6/0. They look like the same size as a 6/0 seed bead. They're gorgeous. And I'm gonna lose them. I probably should not have opened the bag. Alright, next thing is, oh my gosh, them again in green. And I don't think I'm going to open it because I know I'm going to drop them again, but look at them. They are so gorgeous. And they look like the same size again, 6/0. And I think these also come in like 2/0. They come in really big. There's another bead. It's not a green one though. But they come in really big sizes. And here they are in black and white. Awesome. I love black and white beads. I remember when I started making jewelry, like super long time ago, I used to play with a bunch of different colors of beads because that's all I had. And as I got more into beading, I was like into doing jewelry with black beads. I loved to do pieces with black beads. And then it was white and black, and then it was like phases. I went through color phases. And for a long time it was purple. I just made everything with purple. Purple, purple, purple. And then I started getting more into mixing colors. But right now I've been in a phase for the longest time where I'm just addicted to using turquoise colored beads. And it does seem like that color is more plentiful, turquoise beads, and it is really popular right now. Everybody loves turquoise. But yeah, those are awesome too. Love those. And another one. Yes, I love this. So here's a turquoise color. They are so gorgeous, and there's a lot of them. I'm wondering if this is going to be like a really long piece. Maybe like a wrap piece or something. I don't know. I'll see. Oh, those are cute. Those are cool tassels. Are these made with like crimps? I gotta check this out. This would be a really cool idea to make tassels with crimps. Those look like crimp tubes, like number 3 crimp tubes or crimp beads. Those are so cool. Yeah, I've seen and I've showed you guys another box subscription that I got where they made tassels out of flowers. Okay, and then the next thing, oh yes, it's going to be a multi-strand piece, and there's going to be a bracelet and necklace multi-strand. Yeah, because we have 4 of these bar things. This is so cool. I'm really happy about this. I've always wanted to buy these beads, but I didn't because, you know, you can't buy all beads that you see. Crimped tubes. And then we have, how many are in here? 2 bags? Yeah. We have silver beads here. These are definitely check, because all beads at this website are pretty much check. Check seed beads. I think these are 6/0. Beautiful silver color. Very bright silver. And I dropped a lot, but I'll pick them up because I'm almost done. And then we have a ton of bead stringing wire. Here, there's a lot in this bag. So this looks like it's going to be a very exciting project for me. I've wanted these seed beads forever now. They're so cool, and almost all the colors are here. I think that there's a red color that I've seen in this bead, and purple. Those are like the two other colors that I know they have in this, and maybe yellow. There's not a huge color selection, but what colors they do have are really neat. And I'm loving the charms and the beads, and I think this is going to be a really cool, trendy looking project. So I'm very excited to do this. And you guys already know what this is going to be like. I have no idea, but of course at the beginning of this video I always put a picture of the finished projects after I do them, and at the end of this video. So yeah, I'm super excited to play with this. And like I said, I will leave a link for this box down there in the description bar. I've opened this box now. I've gotten it for a year. So if you want, you can go back into my videos and look at all the projects that I've done with this box. They have some really neat designs, and I've really enjoyed it so far. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.